How to turn on one-handed mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on one-handed mode on Android. So if your phone feels just little too big to use with one hand, don't worry. Android has built-in one-handed mode to make things easier. And I'll show you how to enable it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on one-handed mode. And here, in this section, simply enable one-handed mode option. And that's it. That's how you can turn on one-handed mode on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.